Hello everyone, welcome to ACE online class and I am Narendra. So today topic is the partnership. So one of the important topic for all the examination point of view. Whether you talk about the SSC, banking, RRB or even the CMAT and up to CAT level also you get a question from partnership. So we will discuss this couple of important questions for the SSC CGL Tier 1 level questions. But at the same time, I get a doubt from a student called Mahesh. He was asking that about a clock, the coincide of the hands. Now it says that the hands of the clock get coincide once in every 1 hour, but why it happens that in 12 hours it is 11 times? So let me address this doubt of Mr. Mahesh and then I will move on to our topic, partnership. So Mr. Mahesh, this is for your doubt. Now you said that the coincide, you take any time from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, both the hands will get coincide once, or 2 to 3, both the hands gets coincide once. When I say coincide, that this is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. Both the hands are at the same place, that is called coincide. So in every 1 hour, it gets coincide one time. But the question Mr. Mahesh asked that in 12 hours, why it is 11 times? So there is the answer for that question and it will be helpful to everyone who is watching this video. Now here look at this one. The time is 11 o'clock. That means the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is at 11. What happens? Is there any coincide in between 11 to 12? Look at the moment of the clock. No coincide. Exactly coincide at 12 o'clock. In between 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, is there any coincide? I will replay this. In between 11 to 12? No. So, okay, 12 o'clock, both the hands got coincide. But in between 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, will there be any coincide? Check this one. 12 o'clock, I am talking about in between 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. So, here is the rotation of the hands. Was there any coincide? No. So when you look at this one from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock and from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, there is only one coincide, that is exactly at 12 o'clock. Therefore, what happens is from 11 to 1, there are 2 hours, but the coincide will be 1, Mr. Mahesh. Therefore, for every 1 hour, the hands gets coincide one time, but in 12 hours, it is 11 times, and in 24 hours, it will be 22 times. So, hope you are understanding this. Now, this is a fact you are expected to know, and that is, what is this one? That how many times the hands of the clock will get coincide from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So, instantly you will say, Mr. Narendra, you are talking about 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So, that is 3 hours. And every 1 hour, one time, but therefore 3 hours, 3 times. Yeah, you are right. But I will show you the SSC CGL question, how it comes. Look at this one. How many times the hands of the clock will get coincide from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. of the day? That's how the exam question comes. So if I take the 9 a.m., so we are talking about this part, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. to 3 p.m. So if you are not knowing this, then what you will say that from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. that's 6 hours, and in 1 hour one time, then 6 hours 6 times. But it's not 6 times. Why? Because from this 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, 2 hours is there, and the coincide is only once. Therefore, it is not 6 times. Your correct answer will be 5 times. Okay, my friends. So that is how you are expected to know. In 1 hour, the hands get coincide one time. But when it comes to 11 hours, 12 hours, it is 11 times. And in 24 hours, it is 22 times. You are expected to know this part. Now, why it is happening? Because in 2 hours, they get coincide only once. At what time? In between 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Hope you are understanding, my friends. So with this, if it is said that at what time between 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, both the hands will get coincide. So based on the coincide, we directly get the question, that is from this hour to this hour, how many times coincide, or a particular hour will be given to you and you will be asked at what time they will get coincide. I will share you with the best possible methods and I'll directly go with that. In between 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, we are talking about this timing. In between 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, at what time the hands will get coincide. So to answer this question, I directly take this one. At 7 o'clock, what is the minute? If the minute hand is at 7 o'clock, look at this one. The minute hand is at 7 o'clock. So what will be the minute? That is 35 minutes. So my answer to this is, that's 35 by 11 minutes. That's all. And in this 35, we have how many 11s are there? 3 11s are there. So take that 3 over here. Now it will become 38. And if you take out 33 from here, the remainder is 2. So 38, 2 by 11 minutes past 7, the hands of the clock will get coincide. Suppose if I take the another example, that is from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, at what time the hands of the clock will get coincide. So what is the minute value of 5? 25 minutes. So the hands will get coincide in between 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock at 25 by 11 minutes. And in this 25, we have 2 11s are there. Add that 2 over here. Then it is 27. If you take out 22 from here, so you are left with remainder 3. So 27, 3 by 11 minutes past 5, the hands of the clock will get coincide. Hope Mr. Mahesh, you understood this and the rest of the people also get benefited of it. Now I will straightway go to the partnership chapter of today's. Let's move on. Achha, I was talking about this one. In between 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, between these two, at what time the hands? So I know that at 7 o'clock, the 35 minutes. So hands will get coincide at 35 by 11 minutes. That's how we simplified it here. Right, my friends? So let's move into the today's topic, and that is partnership. So partnership is a very simple topic, but we need to have some practice on it. So here is the question for you. And what is the question? Let me read down and then I will give you 15 seconds for you to answer the question. A and B started business with an investment of 35,000 and 20,000 respectively. After 5 months, B left. After 5 months, B left. That means B was in the business for only 5 months. And C joined with rupees 15,000. At that time, C joined. When B left, C joined with a capital of 15,000. So if the profit is 25,000, what is B's profit? So here is your 15 second. Think of it. Think of it, my friend. Very good morning, Aman sir. Very good morning, my brother. And Dhanlakshmi madam. Very good morning. Anusha, very, very good morning. And Prasant, very good morning, sir. Very good morning. I am very happy to see all you people on the board. Oh, over 15 seconds. Now, what is the ratio of the capital? So look at this one here, 35,000, here 20,000, here it is 25,000. So I will write down over here, Aman, 35,000 because I need to take the ratio here. Okay, so therefore let's take that the A capital is 35,000, B capital is 20,000 and C capital is 25,000. Okay, can I take the ratio of this? So I notice that it comes how much? This is 7 with 5, 4 times and this is 5 times Anusha madam. Now this is about the capital ratio. How about the time ratio? So nothing is said about A. A started the business, so nothing is said about A. So that means A was there for the entire 12 months and it is said that B is left after 5 months. So his time tenure is 5 and C joined after 5 months. That means he was there in the business for 7 months. This is a very basic question of partnership. So by multiplying this, I will get the ratio of the profit and loss, which Aman very well know. That is 12 7 is 84 and 5 4 is 20 and 7 5 is 35. So this is what the ratio of it, 7 4 12 and 20 and 35. So I can see anyone answer the question? Anyone answer the question? Prashant. So what I am going to do now? So the total profit is 25,000. Let's take that. If 25,000 is the profit, what is the share of B? The share of B is, this is what the B is, 20 parts. Out of how many parts? The total part is 84 plus 20 is 104 and 137. Am I right? 137. So anyone answer the question? Did I made any mistake over here? Okay, this is 15,000. So that is 7 times, then this 4 times, and this is 3 times. So this is 3 times. Take that 3. This is what the capital ratio is. Aman and Prashant Kumar. Yeah, very good morning, Prashant Kumar. Very good morning, my friend. So now you notice that the total here comes how much? 7 3 is 21. So let's take the 21 over here. So what is the total here? The total will be, that comes 105, 125. So 125. The rest part is a basic cancellation. I am sure you all people can answer the question with 25 5 times, with 25 100. This is 200 times. Then 200 into 20, that comes 4,000. Anyone answer the question, my friends? Even not, you will learn it. Just 1 hour, we will together work out. Okay? And I completed my job in the Bank of Baroda as a provisionary officer. Now it is your time. Now, you have to clear the exam and set your life for the rest. So, finally, that is 200 into 20, that's 4,000, and 4,000 is your answer. Okay, option B, Rajita Reddy. Wow, well, Amma, well. Chala ba jaisa. Rajita madam. Okay. The next question, ilage simple questions untai. There will be an very ordinary questions. So the moment I look at the question, I should know how to respond to this. Second question, without wasting your valuable time. Aman sir, dekhiye jara. P, Q and R enter into an partnership with an capital in which the P contributes rupees 1,05,000. If out of the total profit of rupees 20,000, P gets 10,000. That is half, and Q gets 6,000. Then what is R's capital? R's capital. Just think of it, Rajita ma'am. Rajita Reddy. 11 seconds, 10 seconds. Come on. 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Okay. I will answer this question. It's a very simple question. Can you see that what is the profit of total profit? 20,000. What is the profit of P? There are 3 peoples are there, P, Q and R. So the P profit is 10,000. Write down over here 10,000. Don't write the zeros. Now Q profit is 6,000. So write down the 6 here. Out of 20,000, if I take out this 16,000, I left with 4,000. The R gets a profit of 4,000. So what is the ratio of their profit? The ratio of their profit, Rajita, I'm very happy that you joined it. Together we will definitely prepare every day 1 hour. That is 5:3:2. And we already know that. And there is no difference in the months. Nothing is said about the months. So this is my profit and loss. So if it is my profit and loss, look at this one. Whose profit is given to, capital is given to us? P contributed this one. The profit and loss, the capital ratio itself is the profit and loss ratio. So if P contributes 1,05,000, then what is the capital of R? That is the question. So when 5 part is this much, what will be 2 parts? Now, I'm sure you will be able to answer the question. So this comes, 1 part will be, that is 2,100. 21,000 is 1 part. 2 part will be 42,000. Did anyone answer the question? Did any one of my friend answer the question? Okay, okay. Okay, Dhanlakshmi, try Chayama. Anusha, try it. So, 21 into 2, and that comes 42,000. I have an option 42,000. Let's move into the next question. And the next question is here, my friends. Rajita Reddy Chudtale. That is A and B started business with a capital in the ratio of 7:9. After 6 months, C joined them with a capital of 2/3 of that of B. 2/3 of that of B. Okay. A's profit is 2,800. Find the total profit. So I give 15 seconds to my young friends. Please try this. Oh, option B. Bajay Samarajita, let me see that. Was it B? Yeah, that's right, madam. That's right. Keep it up, Amma. Keep it up. Chaliye. Prashant Kumar. Very good morning, sir, Mr. Prashant Kumar. Let's answer this question. 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Okay. Now we together will answer the question. That is A and B started the business with a capital of 7:9. So this is A and this is B. And the C joined with 2/3 of the capital of B. So 2/3 of 9, which is nothing but 6. So his capital is 6. Is there any difference of time? So look at this one. After 6 months, C joins. That means C was in the business for 6 months. Whereas nothing is said about A and B. Therefore, they were in the business for 12 months. Now, I'll be directly getting the profit, and the A's profit is already given to us. Find out the total profit. So let's answer this question now. These are the very simple questions. With 6 1 times, with 6 2 times, and 2 times, then eliminate this. 7 into 2, which is 14, and 9 2, which is 18, and 6 1, which is 6. Further, if I want, I can reduce this also. And then this is 7, and this is 9, and this is 3. This is what the profit and loss ratio, of which the A profit is given to us 2,800. So look at this one. If this A is 2,800, am I right? 2,800, that is 7 part is 2,800. 1 part will be 400. Then what is the total profit? The total profit is 19. So 19 into 4, that is 76. So the total profit should be 7,600. Anyone got the answer? Okay, Dhanlakshmi madam, Rajita madam, you are saying option C. What is the question? The question is, what is the total profit? The total profit is 7,600, Dhanlakshmi. Rajita, are you agree? Do you agree, madam? Okay. Anyhow, if I am wrong, put it in the comment box. I will be with you in your preparation step by step. I will definitely be guiding you. Okay. Next question is here. Next question is here. A and B started his business with 12,000, 18,000, and A invested 3,000 additional money after 3 months, and B withdraws 6,000 after 2 more months. Rajita Reddy, hope you are understanding it. So is Prasanna Kumar. Find the, okay, and B withdraw rupees 6,000 after 2 more months. Find the profit of B at the end of the year if the total profit is 92,000. So shall I give you the 15 second? Please, I'm sorry. So timer is not there. Now think of it for a moment. Think of it for a moment. My all young friends. The question number 4. Okay. Shall we do it together? Now, 12,000 is the initial investment of A. So, A invested 12,000, and this 12,000 was there for how many months? A invested 3,000 additional money after 3 months. That means this 12,000 was there only for 3 months. And after that, what is A's capital? So plus 12,000 into 3. And the next part is a plus. How much is invested? 3,000. So 12 plus 3, it's become 15,000. And this money was there for how many months? The remaining part. 12 minus 3, which is 9 part. This will give us the cumulative capital of A. Similarly, how about B? So the B withdraws 6,000 after 2 more months. After 2 months kadu. After 2 more months. That means after 5 months, because there is 3 months. So this capital, what is this? His capital 18,000 and was there for 5 months. I am sure some of you will definitely answer the question. Now, after that he withdraws 6,000. So what will be the capital? 12,000. And for how many months it will remain? 12 minus 5, which is 7 months. That's what. So once I do this part calculation, this will give us the cumulative capital ratio of A and B, which is also the profit and loss ratio. So now, my friends, do it together. That is 12 into 3 is 36 over here, and 15, 9, 135 here, 171. So the total I get 171 here. And what about 18.5? This is 90, and 12.7, this is 84. So I get 174 over here. So this is the ratio. So of course I notice that both the numbers are getting cancelled by 3. Okay, let this be the ratio. Now what is the question? Find the profit of B at the end of the year if the total profit is 9,200. So from here onwards, everyone knows, all my friends knows how to find out profit of B. The profit of B is 174. Out of the total profit is, that is 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 17 2 times is 34. That's over. Now the remaining part is in cancellation part. I will leave it for you, and please tell me the answer. Aman, my young brother. Well done, well done. I take my responsibility to see that Aman has a dream to become a provisionary officer of State Bank of India. I will be with you, Aman. Believe me, I have 30 years of experience of training the people. I will be with you. So now, finally, the Aman says option D. Okay, Dhanlakshmi and Prashant Kumar, what is your answer? So, option A. Option A. Now let me check, did I made any mistake? Let's cancel this one. So with 3 this gets cancelled. 3 5 is 15, and 3 8 is 24. With 3 3 1 is 3, and then it is 15. And I notice that further it's getting cancelled by this number, this one. So I can take how many times? 8 times. So this is 80. 80 into 58, that's 0. And 8 8 64, carry 6, 8 5 40, plus 6 is 46. One more 0 is there. So therefore my answer, my brother Aman, should be 46,400. Yes? Anyone said the answer 46,400? Rajita madam? Anusha madam? Okay. Not to worry, you will learn gradually. Now here is the next question, and after that we will go one previous year question. Okay? After this we will go one previous year question. So what is this question? Let me see that. A and B started the business by investment of 15,000 and 20,000 respectively, and A gets rupees 100 per month as an salary. And remember that this salary has to be paid from the profit. Okay. Now the total profit is 3,755. Then what is the share of A? And please remember that when you say share of A, then the A's salary plus A's profit part. That is what the A's share, because the salary is given from the profit. Therefore the A share is profit plus salary. So let's work out here. What is the total? Do we have the timer? Yeah. Let's take 15 seconds, my friends. Yeah, Anusha madam. Well done, well done. Okay, come on, come on. Dhanlakshmi and other Prasanna Kumar. Prasanna Kumar, come on, sir. Aman, Prasanta Kumar. Okay, come on. Let's over. The time is over. Now here the total profit is 3,755. So 100 per month. Then Aman, what happens for 12 months? It will be 1200. So take out this 1200 and the remaining will be distributed according to their investment. So this is 5 and this is 2. This money has to be distributed. Now what is the share of A? So let's take that the A is how many parts? What is their capital? 15,000 and 20,000. 15 and 20. What is the ratio? 3:4. This is what the A part. So 3 part out of 7 part. Now let's have a small calculation of cancellation with 7. 3 is 21. I left with 4. And 7, 6 is 42. I left with 3. And 7, 5 is 35. Into 3, 3, 5 is 15, carry 1. And 36 into 3 is 108 plus 1, 109. This is the profit part. But the question says, is share. So add his salary 1200. So when you add 1200 salary, then I get this as 5 and 9 and 2 and 2. This should be the share of A. Did anyone answer the question? Anyone, my friends, young friends, answer the question? Sir, my issue recording में complete कर लूँगा because कलेगा. Okay, Aman, take care, my young brother. Take care of your examination. All the best. All the best for your tomorrow's examination. Take care, sir. And please call me and let me know that how did you write tomorrow's exam, right? Okay, fine. So this is what, and anyone answer the question? Okay, Aishwarya madam, very good morning. So anyone answer the question? Very, very good morning. Harshita Singh, very good morning. Kishore, very good morning, my brother. Very good morning. So what is the answer? The answer is 2295. That's option choice B. Very good morning, Harshita and Kishore and all my friends. Okay. Next question. And after this, I think the previous year paper is there. Now this is similar to this. I hope you will be able to answer this question. A, B and C jointly started the business. A invested rupees 6,500 for 6 months and B invested 8,400 for 5 months and C 10,000 for 3 months. And A gets a 5% commission. So if the total profit is 7,400, what is the share of B? Just try to understand and answer it. 15 seconds is on board. Okay. Come on, my friends. Come on. Some of you are very, very good. Very good. Ashita Tripathi, very good morning, madam. Namaste. चलिए त्रिपाठी अनिशा त्रिपाठी जी आपके लिए है ये क्वेश्चन आंसर कीजिए 15 seconds is over. Now I'll try to this one answer this one. Here it is 65. Look at this one 65 over here and B is 84 here and the C is if I am taking the last 2 zeros out, then this is 100. And then the A invested the money for 6 months and B invested for 5 months and C invested for 3 months. So by multiplying this, we will get the answer. Harshita Singh, Anisha Tripathi, let's answer this question. So when you multiply this, 6 5 is 30, carry 3 and 6 6 36, 39. 5 4 is 20, carry 2 and 5 8 is 40 plus 2, 42 and here I get 300. All the zeros gets cancelled. Further with 3 this gets cancelled 10 times. This gets cancelled 14 3 is 42 and this gets cancelled 13. So Harshita, I got this ratio. Okay, I got this ratio Harshita Tripathi. चलिए, so अब हमें क्या करना है इसमें? So it said that A gets a 5% commission from this. So I need to take out the commission, then you distribute the profit in this ratio. So what is the commission over here? So when you look at the commission part, then 5% of 7,400. So 7,400, 10% is 740 and the Harshita 5% is half of it, and then half of it, and then it comes 37. So 370, take out this commission, then 7,030, and this is the money has to be distributed. Dhanlakshmi, Dhanlakshmi answer the question. She says option B. Let's check whether she is correct or not. Oh, not a problem, Dhanlakshmi. We will discuss it. Okay. Probably I may go wrong in the calculation, Dhanlakshmi. So here, what I need to find out, Amma? So find B's share. So that is 7030, and this is for the B's part, 14 part. And Harshita, अब देखिए, that is 27 and 37. With 37, how many times it gets cancelled? So if I cancel this one, this is 2 times, no, only 1 time. So this is 37 if I take out. So this comes 3, 10 minus 7 is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. And it comes 3 over here. It comes 3 over here. Am I right? 3 and followed by, okay, how many times? The first time it is 1. Okay, allow me to just erase this and do the calculation again. Just allow me for that. It is 1 time. So if I take out the 37 from here, I left with 3 here and 3 here and 3 here. Will it go 9 times? 9 7 is 63, carry 6, and 9 3 is 27 plus 6 is 33. So that it goes 9 times and followed by 1 more 0. So this value has to be multiplied by 14 in order to get the answer, and that this is 0, and 4 9 is 36, carry 3, and 19 plus 3 is 22 plus 4 is 26. So this is a share of B. That is 266. Did I go anywhere wrong? 2660. Dhanlakshmi, option B. Okay. Anyhow, I slipped somewhere the calculation, so you can correct it. Moving to the next question. Here is the previous year question. You can see that SSC CGL 2022. Okay, all my friends, we together will answer this question. What is the question is all about? A, B and C are partners in a firm, sharing profit in the ratio of 3:4:5. If they set aside 4% of the profit for the emergency fund and share the rest of the profit, and B gets his share of profit of 1,81,400, the amount of profit set aside for emergency fund is what? That is what the SSC CGL 2022 question. Yes, my friend. Think about the question, 15 seconds for you. Yeah. Go ahead. Two seconds, time up. Now I will answer the question. So here it says already that we have a profit in the ratio of. So this is a profit ratio. Profit ratio. What is this profit? This is the profit of B. So I will start from here. 1,81,400. This is how many parts? B's profit. 4 part. Divide this by 4. You will get 1 part. So in order to get the total profit, how many parts here? 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5 is 12. So get the 12 parts, you are getting total profit. And from here, I need to take the 4% because the emergency fund I need, this 4%. So take the 4%. But will you write by 100 or by 100 minus 4? So as this profit, this total profit which I get is after taking out 4%. That means 100 minus 4, this is 96%. Therefore, I should write 4 by 96. Did you notice that how the small twisting in the exam paper? So by mistake we write 4 by 100. No, this is the total profit after taking out the commission or the emergency fund. So therefore this is 96%. So I should divide this by 96. So let's go with that 96, and here is your answer by simplifying it. Anyone answer the question? Anusha, that's right, 96. That's right. So let's, my friend, the remaining part is a basic cancellation. So let's do the small cancellation over here. With 12, this is 8 times. Then with 8 gets cancelled. With 4, 2 times. With 2, this gets cancelled. No, there's 2 times. Okay. That's 12, 8 and 4. This is 2 times. And then finally this is 2 and 4. That is 8. Divide this number by 8. You will get your answer. And 8, 2 is 16. I left with 6 here. Then 8, 7 is 56. I left with 5 here. And 8, 6 is 48. I left with 6 here, 60. Now 8, 7 is 56 and 8, 5 is 40. So finally I am getting 27,000. Did I go anywhere wrong in the calculation? So let's check once again. Check once again. So that is with 12, this is 8 times, 12, 8, 96. With 4, this is 2 times. And this is 2 into 4, that's 8. By 8, I will divide this number. So 8, 2 is 16. I left with 2 here. Then again 8, 2 is 16. And I left with 5 here. Now 54. So 8, 6 is 48. I left with 6 here, 60. 8, 7 is 56 and 8, 5. So I am getting this as 22,675. Yes, my friends. Option C. Who said option C? Anusha. Okay. Look at the option part. Okay. Anyhow, I think I forgot to place the option. Option choice C. Well done. Well done. The next one now. Shall I move on next? Okay. So every day 1 hour we will practice 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock the quantitative aptitude. A and B are partners in the business. A contributes 1/4 capital for 15 months and B receives 2/3 of the profit. The B invested amount for how many months? Interesting question. Let's take that your 15 seconds. Then we will answer this. Okay, Anusha, doing well, madam? Doing well? Okay, come on. Answer it now. Okay, time up. We together will answer the question. So A, if investor 1/4 of the money, that means the B investor 3/4 of the money. Okay, now E invests for 15 months and I don't know the B invested for how many months. So I will consider that the B invested for X months. Now, if the B receives 2/3 of the profit, what does it mean? Out of 3 parts, B gets 2 parts profit. Then the remaining 1 part will be received by A. Therefore, the capital of A by capital of B is equal to 1:3. Or as we know the ratio proportion, what we can do is, I can write down this 1:2 over here. Look at this one, is proportionate to 1:2. And we know the product of the mean is equal to the product of extreme. So whatever these two ratios are there, as we know that A is to B is proportionate to C is to D, as the product of BC is equal to the product of extreme. So let's take that the product of these two will be equal to the product of these two. This way, this is another way to answer the question. So left hand side, right hand side, this 4 and 4 gets cancelled. With 3, this gets cancelled. How many times? 5 times. So multiply this 5 into 2, that is 10, which is equal to X. That means the B was in the business for how many months? 10 months. Option A. Let me see, anyone answer the question? Karan. Very good morning, Karan Kumar. और आंसर आ रहा है ऑप्शन ए सर. कोई बात नहीं है, आप एवरी डे आप ज्वाइन होइए, we together will practice and over a period of time you will be very very comfortable for exam level. Okay, most welcome on this ACE online class. चलिए next question is here. So what is this question is all about? In a partnership, A invests 1/4 of the capital for 1/4 of the time, similar to previous question, and B invests 1/5 of the capital for 1/2 second times, and C invests the remaining capital for the whole time, for the entire period. Okay, at the end of the year, the profit earned by them is 57,000. What is the share of B in the profit? 15 seconds for you to understand this question. चलिए कीजिए. So Prasanna, please do it, sir. Prashant Kumar, I'm sorry sir, Prashant Kumar. शीतल शर्मा, very good morning शीतल. चलिए आंसर कीजिए. धनलक्ष्मी, आंसर चैतली. Okay, over. 15 seconds is over. Now I will take this question in this way, that A invests 1/4 of the capital for 1/5 of the time, and B invests 1/4 of the capital for 1/4 of the time. Okay, let's take this one for 1/4 of the time. How about B? B invests 1/5 of the capital for half of the time, and the remaining capital. What is the remaining capital? So if I total is 1, so this is 1/4 capital, take out 1/4, and this is 1/5 capital, so take out 1/5, you get the remaining. The LCM is 20, so this is 20 minus 5 minus 4, that is 11/20. So for C it is left 11/20, and for how many months? Entire period, that is 1. So this will give us the ratio of their capital or their profit, their profit, ratio of their profit. So what it comes, 1/4 16, and here it is 1/10, and here it is 11/20. 11/20. Oh, Karan already answered the question. He says option B. Shall I check the answer, Karan? Option D, my brother. Okay. Now, how do I respond to this? I will take the LCM of 16, 10 and 20, which is nothing but the 80 is the LCM. So, with 80 multiply 1/16, you are getting 5. With 80 multiply 110, you are getting 8, and with 80 you multiply this, you are getting 44 over here. So this is finally is the profit and loss ratio. Okay, Kishore, is that correct, sir? Okay, now then find the B's profit. The total profit is 57,000. Now I can answer the question. 57,000, and the B's profit is 8 part out of how many parts? 44 plus 8 is 52 plus 5, which is 57. Now 57 gets cancelled. The answer will be 8,000. So anyone answer the question? Dhanlakshmi, are you comfortable? Harshita Singh ji, आप comfortable हो? Okay, चलिए next question पे चलते हैं. And here is your previous year question. Now you can see that I mentioned over here, look at this one. This is about the IBPS PO prelim of 2021. कैसे question आए वो भी देख लीजिए. Now in a partnership, A invests 1/6 of the capital for 1/6 of the time. B invests 1/3 of the capital for 1/3 of the time, and C invests the remaining capital for the whole time. Okay, if at the end of the year the profit earned is rupees 92,000, then find the share of B in the profit. I am sure Dhanlakshmi, I am sure Anusha, I am sure Karan and I am sure Harshita Singh ji. चलिए आंसर कीजिए, आपको 15 सेकेंड देते हैं. चलिए, come on, answer the question. Okay, now I will answer it. Look at this one, similar to the previous one, 1/6 of the capital. Chaliye, it says that 1/6 of the capital for 1/6 of the time. Now the next one is 1/3 of the capital, similar to the previous one, 1/3 of the capital for 1/3 of the time, and the remaining capital. So 1 minus 1/6 minus 1/3, and it comes 6 as LCM. So this is 6 minus 1 and minus 2. Finally, I get this as 3/6, which is 1/2. So the remaining capital is 1/2, and for the how many months? Whole time, 1. Now, Anusha, I am sure you can answer the question, madam. So 1/6 is 36, and which is 1/339, and which is 1/2. And I will take the LCM of 36, 9 and 2, which is nothing but 36. So 36 divided by 36 is 1. 36 divided by 9 is 4. And 36 divided by 2, which is 18. This is for the profit and loss. Now you can find it out. The total profit is there. You need to find out the profit of B. Let's check that the profit of B will be. And that comes 92,000. And the profit of B is 4 parts. Out of the total profit, that is 23. With 23, I can say 4 times, and 4 is 16,000. Anyone answer the question? 16,000. Option choice D. Well done, well done, well done, Anusha. Very active, very active. 16K, that's right. Dhanlakshmi Aman is left. So हर्षिता सिंह जी आप भी आंसर कीजिए. चलिए, सो ऐसे एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. वी कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑल द एग्जाम रिलेवेंट क्वेश्चंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is here. Now how much time is left? Okay, 11 minutes more is there. We can work out here. A and B started a business investing in the ratio of 5:3. After 4 months, C joins them with 37.5% of the total investment of A and B together. Okay, find what percentage of the total profit will A get. Chaliye, coolly you answer it. 15 seconds. Come on. Come on, my friends. Oh wow, okay, Dhanlakshmi will definitely answer the question. Chaitali, मैं रोज़ को प्रैक्टिस చేసుకుందాం ఏదో डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस में. चलिए, हाँ हर्षिता जी आप हैं तो आंसर कीजिए. 15 seconds is over. Now, A and B started with an investment of 5:3. So this is A and this is B. After 4 months, C joins with a 37.5%. So you are expected to know that 37.5% in the percentage we learn, this is 5/8. So 5/8 of the capital of A and B together. If I add this part, A and B together, this is 8. So 8's 3/8 is nothing but 3. So we will take that part over. Okay, I erased everything. That is 5:3, and here we got 3. Okay, and now the A and B. So what is the time? The after 4 months. So C comes after 4 months. That means he was in the business for 8 months, and the rest of them were in the business for the entire period. So here we have the time ratio. And what is the time ratio? The time ratio is with 4 2 times and 3 times and 3 times. And from here we get the capital ratio. And that is 5/3 is 15 and 3/3 is 9 and 3/2 is 6. Tomorrow class is time and work. Some important questions, frequently asked question in the exam. Tomorrow class. Please don't miss, my friends. Definitely 1 hour we will gain something. Okay, this is what the ratio is. Now the total profit is given No. What is, find what percentage of the total profit will A get. So this is what the A's profit out of the total profit of this. So what percentage? That means 15 is what percentage of 15 plus 9, 24, and 24 plus 6, which is 30. So that is 15 by 30, which is nothing but 1 by 2, which is 50%. Anyone answer the question? Anusha, answer the question. Option D, is it right? That's right. That's right, Anusha. Well done. Well done. अब बताइए प्रसन्ना सिंह, हर्षिता सिंह, मिस्टर किशोर. Am I right? Put some comment, sir. Put some comment, like it, share with your friends. Tomorrow, time and work, some important question, frequently asked question, don't miss the class. Now, the next question is here. Let's say that if you can answer the question, A started the business with a capital of 36,000. After some time, the B joined A with a capital of 48,000. At the end of the year, B gets rupees 24,000 out of the total profit of 51,000. Now the question is, after how many months did B joined? I am sure Anusha will be able to answer the question, and I am also confident Dhanlakshmi will answer the question. चलिए आंसर कीजिए. हर्षिता आंसर कीजिए. प्रशांत answer it. This is your time is up, I think. No. So the A invested 36,000. So there 36,000 and 48,000 capital ratio is 3:4. Capital ratio. Now A was there in the business for the entire period, that is 12 months. And B joined after some time. So I don't know for how many months he was in the business. I will consider that as X. So when I multiply this, 12/3 is 36 and this is 4X. And as this gets cancelled, 9:X, this is what the ratio is. Now it is said that the B gets 24,000 rupees profit out of 51,000. So what is B's share here? The B's share, I notice, is X part out of X plus 9. So given to us is X by X plus 9, which is equal to 24 by 51. 24 by 51. By doing so, I will get the X value, but that will not be your answer. The answer is after how many months? After how many months did B join? So we will first find out the X value and then we will do the remaining part. Now I notice that will these two be getting cancelled by 3? Yes. With 3, 17, 3 is 51 and with 3, 8 times. So 17X is equal to 8X plus 9, 8 is 72. So bring the 8X over here. So 9X is equal to 72. X is equal to 8. Will my answer be 8? No. So after how many months B joined? I know the B was there in the business for 8 months. That means after 4 months B joined. Therefore my answer should be 4. Anyone answer the question? Oh wow, Kumar. Karan. Are wow. Gayatri. Namaste ma'am. And most welcome to this board. So your answer is 4 months. Option C. Option C. Please do come. Tomorrow is the time and work. Very frequently asked and important questions with the best possible method. Okay. So moving to the next one. Here is your previous SBI PO Prelim 2021 question. So I request Dhanlakshmi to answer the question and Gayatri madam answer the question. Okay. Now you can see that this is the previous year paper. A started business with rupees 40,000. After 2 months, B joined with him with 60,000. C joined them after some more time. after some more time with rupees 1,20,000 at the end of the year, out of the total profit of rupees 3,75,000, C got 1,50,000 as his share. How many months after B joined the business did C joined? That means after B joined, A started the business and the B joined after how many months? Look at this one. After 2 months B joined. After 2 months. After how many months B joined, the C joined. After how many months B joined, the C joined. So what I need to find out, the total time of C, and from there you need to find out the gap of these two. Let's work out 15 seconds for you. 15 seconds. It's a very important question. Very important question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time up. Now, how do we answer this question here? 40,000 and 60,000 and 1,20,000. Look at this one, 40,000, 60,000 and 1,20,000. So the ratio of the capital, you notice over here, it gets cancelled by 20, 2 times, 3 times and 6 times. So this is what the ratio is. Now it is said that the A was there in the business for 12 months. B was there in the business for 8 months. And I don't know for C. That is what I need to find out. So let's take that C worked for X months. The total will be now how much? That is 24 here and 8, 3, 24 here, and here it is 6x. And someone's profit is given here. Whose profit at the end of the year, out of the total profit of 3,75,000, C gets 1,50,000. So I will take this 150 and here 375 C. So let's take the C here, 6x by 24 plus 24, 48 plus 6x, total 48 plus 6x, and which is equal to, what is that part? 150 by 375. 150 by 375. Okay. So let's come to this one, 375. By solving this, I will get the x value. And once I get the x value, I can find out after B, after how many months C joined. Let's cancel this one and we will fix the answer here. So let's work out over here with 25 6 times, and with 25 4 3 12 plus 3 is 15, and with 3 2 times, and with 3 5 times, and with 2 this is 3 times, and 3 into 5 that is 15x, and 15x is equal to 48 plus 6x. So bring the 6x over here, 9, then you will get this as a 9x. 9x is equal to 48. Did I made any mistake over here? Anyone can see the calculation, please? Anyone can see the calculation here? How many months? Check my calculation. Yes, friends. Here it is with 20, 40,000, 60,000, 120, and then this is 2 and 3 and 6. Am I right over here? Yeah, that's right. So this is 12 months. I made a mistake over here. Rightly said, my friend. Rightly said. Anusha, you have rightly said that there is a small error over here. That is after 2 months he joined. Therefore, it should be 10 months. It should be 10 months. And this is X. Now the whole thing will change now. So, okay. Not an issue. There is some small silly error. Okay. But it is not acceptable if you are writing the exam. Now we will find it out. This will be 30. This will be 30 and this is 6. So with 6 this gets cancelled. This will be x and this will be 5 and this will be 4. This is what the ratio is. Now given to us is, that is x by 9 plus x, 9 plus x, which is equal to, Anusha, how much that is? 150 by 375. Now we notice that this number is getting cancelled with 6 times and this is getting cancelled. That's 4, 3, 12 and 15 times. With 3 this is 2 times. With 3 this is 5 times. So 5x, which is equal to, that is 18x plus 2x. Okay. Now I'll just change the color because it seems to be clumsy. So here that is when not 18x, this is 18. This is 18. Now when you work out on this, you will find that the 3x is equal to 18 and the x is equal to 9. 6, x is equal to 6. That means he was in the business for 6 months. He was in the business for 6 months. That means he joined after how many months? He joined after 6 months. But the question is, after B joined, C joined after how many months? So C joined after 4 months after joining C. So 4 months, option choice B is your answer. Am I right? Am I right, my friends? Yes, yes, Anusha, that's right. Dhanlakshmi, am I right? Karan, am I right? Okay. So with this, I will conclude the class. This is 1 hour class from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock in YouTube. Every day, please come. You prepare your own for 6 hours, 7 hours, 12 hours. Spend 1 hour with us. Tomorrow topic is time and work. Please do join. We will discuss the very frequently asked questions and the important questions with the best possible method. Thank you very much for watching this video.